Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the high limit thermostat in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because your water isn't heating properly.
Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply.
So what we have to do is we're going to have to tilt our dishwasher back. So this right here is our high limit thermostat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unplug it, and we're just going to pull straight out. And now we have to remove this bracket here that holds the thermostat on. So we're just going to pull out on one side like so, and that should free it. Now we can remove the thermostat by twisting it so that the hole there lines up with the ends right there. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement high limit thermostat. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we're going to put the thermostat in the thermostat shaped hole like so, and then twist it so it's nice and secure in there. It's not going to fall out. So the bracket has a couple of tabs that stick out, and they're going to go into the slot right there and just lock into place. And again, I'm just going to have to pull this side, and that slides right in there and locks it into place. And now I can plug the wires back in, and those will just go straight on like so. And once you've done that, you can stand your dishwasher back up, plug everything back in, and your repair is complete.
Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.